Do you find yourself making a lot of plans and then those plans collecting dust? You don't even look at them. This happens a lot for New Year resolutions. One of my coaching clients was doing it for interview preparation. He was making plans. He was writing for each interview. He would make a separate document, write a lot. And then once the interview is done, he would never come back to it. Even for daily and weekly plans, he would write it and not even check it. It is what in software we call write-only system, which is actually useful sometimes for clarifying your thoughts. But if your intention is to follow the plan and get it done, it's not useful at all. On the contrary, it can give you a sense that you're doing a lot because you're writing the plans a lot, but results are not coming. That can be very frustrating and tiring. So although I'm in favor of making plans and getting things done, if you happen to fall in this category, you want to write less and then review it more often, multiple times a day, and then actually implement the plan. If you don't read it, write even less. You want to get to a point where you write so little that reading and implementing and reviewing is a breeze for you. So remember, reading the plan and executing the plan is at least as important as writing the plan, if not more. A plan that doesn't motivate you to take action is not a good plan. Might as well not have a plan in that case.